wanted to do a quick follow-up video on the burgundy iceberg. If you'll remember, we defoliated this when it arrived because it had black spot pretty bad. And so we pulled off all the leaves. It's been 2 weeks, and I just wanted to share this with you so that if you had any concerns about completely defoliating a rose, hopefully it'll be alleviated for you when you see that this little baby is bouncing back pretty good. What have I done with it? I took it after we defoliated it, I potted it up, gave it biotone, and that's it. It hasn't had any additional fertilizers. So I'm thinking in about a week, I'm gonna go ahead and put it into the ground, and I will give it rose tone and a little bit of manure and say good luck. And we'll see where it goes from there. I'm sure that you'll see it in our videos as we do our tour. Talk to you guys soon. Thanks.